What is going on, y'all? My name is Travis Owen, back again with another video. This is Tea Time with Travis. Thank you so much for joining me. Before I jump into today's video, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. Let me know what you think I should react to next. I read all the comments. I try to react. I try to respond. Smash that like button. Come join me on one of my weekly live streams. You can find out when those are going to be if you take a look at the community tab of the YouTube channel. Check out the other playlists, hit me up on my socials, those links are posted below, and if you'd like to show some support for the channel, hit me up on my Patreon or PayPal, those links are posted below as well. So without further ado, this one is GLEE cough syrup.
You okay? You seemed upset. And if Sebastian is being
Forget about Sebastian. I'm not mad at you, I just don't want to waste any more time on him. I want to focus on winning. I've got a new song I want to try out. The theme for regionals is inspiration, and I think this fits the bill. You want to hear it?
Hey, Karofsky. What's up, Nick?
Life's too short to even care at all. Whoa.
It's terrible.
I'm losing my mind, losing control.
You wanna go?
These fishes on the sea, they're staring at me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wet world aches for a beat of a drum. Whoa.
I mean, I don't like resorting to violence, but I hope he knocks somebody out. Just saying. Please.
If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to come down, come down. Life's too short to even care at all. Whoa. I'm coming up now, out of the blue. Oh, these zombies in the park, they're looking for my heart. Whoa, whoa, whoa. A dark world aches for a splash of the sun. Whoa. Fortune that I should have found by now. And so I run out to the things they said could restore me, restore life the way it should be. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to come down. One more spoon of cough syrup now. Whoa. One more spoon of cough syrup now. Whoa, oh.
No. No.
Did you know
I can't.
you can meet the demanding...
I can't with that. Please tell me that that didn't happen. Please. I can't do that.